Hey everyone, welcome to the kitchen. Today we've got a fun one, chicken fajitas. Let's get started.
Hey there, I'm the chicken breast, and I'm here to bring the protein punch to your fajitas.
Hi, we're the bell peppers. Red, green, and yellow. Each of us brings our own flavor and color to the dish. We'll add sweetness, crunch, and a beautiful pop of color to your fajitas.
And I'm the onion. Get ready for a little bit of sweetness and a lot of flavor. I'll caramelize beautifully, giving that savory depth you're craving.
We're the spices, and we're here to spice things up. We've got chili powder, cumin, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Together, we'll create the smoky, warm, and zesty base for your fajitas.
Hola! We're the tortillas. Soft, warm, and flexible, we're here to wrap everything together. Without us, you wouldn't have fajitas at all, right?
First, let's get our chicken ready. Chicken, can you introduce yourself?
Of course, I'm going to be sliced into thin strips today. That way, I cook up quick and evenly. Don't worry. I'll stay juicy. Just wait and see.
Now, the peppers, let's get those sliced up.
Slices, however you like. We're packed with sweetness and flavor.
Next up, the onion, ready to join the party?
Absolutely. I'm ready to sweeten things up with my delicate layers.
Time to marinate the chicken. In a bowl, combine the following spices. Give it a quick mix, then drizzle about 1 tablespoon of olive oil over the chicken strips, making sure every piece is coated. Let this marinate for at least 15 minutes, or up to 30 if you have the time.
This is going to be one tasty fajita.
Let's heat up the skillet and chicken. It's your time to shine.
Bring it on. I'll cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, turning me around so I get nice and golden brown on all sides.
Looking good, chicken. Now it's time for the veggies. In the same pan, add a little olive oil if necessary. Then add the sliced bell peppers and onions. You want them to be vibrant and slightly caramelized. Adding the cooked chicken back to the skillet.
Ah, yes, now we're talking. I'm back with the peppers and onions, and together we'll create something magical.
Together, we make the perfect trio: sweet, smoky, and savory. This is what fajita dreams are made of.
Now, let's wrap everything up. Tortillas, you're ready to take it from here.
Absolutely. We're soft and warm, ready to hug all that delicious chicken and veggies. We'll hold it all together and make sure you get every bite.
Finish it off with some cilantro, sour cream, salsa, and guacamole. And there you have it. Chicken fajitas, ready to enjoy.
And don't forget me. Just a squeeze of lime over the top will bring the perfect tangy finish to these fajitas.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun recipes.
See you next time in the kitchen.